helping us to alleviate urban congestion if we're more able to plan our roads properly, time our traffic lights, direct people to proper parking solutions. Hall of Fame, a partner of ours, has actually got a traffic monitoring and car counting device that's used for monitoring traffic levels, and so urban planning can be done more effectively. And when we talk about a partnership like this, it's that Itron has published a software and hardware development kit and listed a partner who's in turn gone out, developed the application, and used our customer base and common network in order to deploy this out in the field. So to give you an idea about what it's like in order to work with one of these development kits, I want to just briefly talk about and then demonstrate one of the applications that a partner of ours developed on the network. So a partner, Databuoy, downloaded from us a software and hardware development kit, and with very little assistance from Itron, was able to build a really extraordinary application. Unfortunately, we've been reading in headlines about some really horrible urban safety issues relating to gun violence. And one of the challenges that we have is how do we quickly determine whether or not a gunshot has occurred and properly target a response to that gunshot, to deploy public safety directly to where the condition has occurred. So what you're going to see is an example of how a gunshot detection application can be used to improve urban safety. And in order to demonstrate this, I'd like to invite my colleague, Itai Dadon, out onto the stage in order to do this demonstration with us.
Thank you, Philip. Last year, here at IoT World, we launched our developer program to expand on this vision of the multi-application network. Since then, many innovators from around the world have joined us in this exciting journey to make cities and utilities more resourceful. As you said, Philip, safety and security is a big deal for a lot of those cities around the world. And that's why we decided to demonstrate to you here today the Databuoy solution for gunshot detection. The Databuoy team developed the most innovative gunshot detection system in the world. It's the fruit of many years of R&D development to create a fully automated gunshot detection system. This gunshot detection system works with an array of Wi-Fi based acoustic sensors that gather data and sending it to our IoT Edge platform. That Edge platform is where all the Databuoy algorithms for acoustic treating is ported. And we integrated all this solution inside the luminaire. Why the luminaire? As Philip mentioned to you before, Itron is the world leader in smart street lighting in cities around the world, with more than 3 million lights deployed in cities like Chicago, Miami, Copenhagen, and Paris, just to name a few. This is how we're planning on taking this kind of new innovative solutions to the market. So maybe we want to see it in action.
Sure, let's do it.
So since we didn't want to bring a gun to stage, right? And it's kind of impossible to simulate a gunshot. What we did with this system is train it to detect and localize a hand clap. Okay, much more benign. So what's interesting is think about it. If we're able to train this system to detect hand claps, combine that with our ability to update over the air all the devices in our network, that gives us a solution that can be enhanced and grow over time to detect other type of events. Think about car accidents, for example. So I'll go to the luminaire and do my magic clap. You ready? Oh, before I do that. What you see here on the screen is the Databuoy cloud application that actually is what's used by cities and security forces to detect those alerts. So what you see here is the map of where we are, okay, from the sky, and on the bottom is a timeline, and when I will clap, It's supposed to provide an alert. Now, we also set up the system to send an SMS to you, Philip. Did you get it?
There it is.
Excellent. So what you saw is the alert showed up here within seconds, and we send the SMS to the nearest security officer or police officer that is in the region, and that is how we solve real problems today around the world. With that, I want to thank the Databuoy team for working with us and allowing us to show their innovative technology here today. I welcome you to see them and all our other partners in our booth. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Vijay. So what does the platform and the network look like that supports all these types of applications? I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the characteristics of what we're working on. And the first topic I want to talk about is standards. Our customers want choice and